Eastern Europe. Officials now shifting from a rescue to a recovery mission with hundreds of people working around the clock to retrieve the armored truck the soldiers were allegedly traveling in. That truck was discovered in a swamp near the Lithuania-Belarus border. Officials now telling ABC News the truck may have sunk into the mix of muddy water and sludge. You see it right there, up to 5 meters to the bottom. And joining us now with the latest on this is ABC News' Louis Martinez. Louis, great to see you there at the Pentagon. Louis, we understand that efforts are ongoing as we speak to drain the swamp where the vehicle was found. So what do we know about where the mission currently stands?
Stephanie, this is an all-out effort, including American and Lithuanian personnel. As you said, hundreds of personnel there trying to move heavy equipment in to essentially try to bring this heavy armored vehicle up to the surface. It's called an M88. It's a tank recovery vehicle, but think of it kind of like it's a tow truck, if you will, for heavy armored equipment. And that's what it was going to do. It was tasked with finding another armored vehicle that had essentially broken down, and it was going to bring it back to, let's say, its base. But it is a very complicated mission because what appears to have happened is that think of it as a sinkhole. Think that this vehicle is much deeper. The vehicle was tracking through the forest and essentially found itself in a sinkhole, and it sank to the bottom. And that's what's really complicated because this is a very heavy vehicle. We're talking about maybe 70 tons of how heavy this is. And so they're going to have to figure out how to drain this swamp fully. And then once they're there, how will this heavy equipment that they're bringing in, how will it be used to lift it out so that they can recover the missing soldiers?